Grammy Award-winning band Morgan Heritage has returned to the music scene following a 2-year hiatus. The group today released a new track dubbed A Headline for Front Page, which tackles and shares their observation about the lack of attention media sheds on injustices. Headline for Front Page features dancehall newcomers Critical, Joshi, as well as I-Octane.
Headline for Front Page, man I look food for heat, gunshot, busting head in a street. Headline for Front Page, young girl go school to learn. Dreadlocks string without a reason, what a different season.
The track is produced by Morgan Heritage and is officially released on one of the group's imprints, Heritage Grown Productions. It was distributed by Johnny Wonder in North America and South America and by Horus Music globally. Mojo Morgan shared this video online where he shared the inspiration behind the single.
So we did a song called Headline 14 years ago. Fast forward to today, my son Raphael on the way home from soccer practice with his playlist plays this song that inspired a whole new movement. The new song is called Headline for Front Page featuring Joshi, Critical, I-Octane. It's our first record in over 2 years. We see what's going on. The message is in the music.
Morgan Heritage is known for their hit songs Don't Off It Dread, Down by the River, and Tell Me How Come. The group also boasts a stellar lineup of albums like the Grammy-nominated Avracadabra, Strictly Roots, which won the Grammy for Best Reggae Album in 2016, and most recently Legacy, that have helped to cement their space in Jamaican music history. Dancehall artist Jada Kingdom announced that she is currently working on a new EP slated for release soon. In an Instagram post, she shared several photos in studio with the caption, "EP dropping soon." No title or release date was given, however fans are anticipating the release of the new project. Back in June last year, Jada inked a huge music deal with New York-based record label Republic Records. She also revealed that she has a new manager, Marco Jordan, and the management team Wide Eye Entertainment. Republic Records is a division of Universal Music Group, home to a cadre of rap and R&B superstars, namely The Weeknd, Jonas Brothers, Post Malone, Drake, Lil Wayne, Zendaya, and others. Actor and comedian Bob Saget died as a result of blunt head trauma. The Orange County Medical Examiner's Office released the autopsy report yesterday. The official findings coincide with a statement released by Saget's family on Wednesday, in which they cited head trauma as his cause of death. Now, the report noted that a PCR test also showed that Saget was positive for COVID-19. The 65-year-old was found dead in his hotel room at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Orlando, Florida. He was best known for his role as the beloved single dad Danny Tanner on the hit sitcom Full House and as the wisecracking host of America's Funniest Home Videos. Now, Fame Frequency is back tomorrow night with the Golden Era 90s party. The event is held in partnership with Reggae Month and celebrates the music and artists from the 90s. The virtual event kicks off at 9 p.m. and will also see special performances from dancehall DJ, Ghost, and General Degree. DJs Dalton Leaf, Arif Cooper, and Narity will provide a musical experience for the patrons. Be a part of the festivity via our VIP Zoom Watch Yourself area live on Fame Frequency. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.